Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry stew. First, begin by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, cooking until softened, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of your favorite curry paste, allowing it to cook for 1 minute to release its aromatic oils. This step builds a rich flavor base for your stew. Now it's time to add your main ingredients. If using meat, brown about 1 pound of chicken or beef pieces in the pot. For a vegetarian option, add 1 block of firm tofu, cubed. Next, introduce 2 cups of chopped vegetables, such as potatoes, carrots, or bell peppers. Stir everything together, ensuring the curry paste coats all ingredients evenly. This creates a robust and satisfying foundation. To create that creamy, rich texture, pour in 1/13. 5-ounce can of full-fat coconut milk and 2 cups of vegetable or chicken broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let your curry stew simmer for at least 20 minutes or until your vegetables are fork tender. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Finally, it's time to finish your delicious curry stew. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. You might want a pinch more salt, a dash of pepper, or a squeeze of fresh lime juice for brightness. Stir in 1/4 cup of fresh, chopped cilantro or basil for a burst of fresh flavor. Serve your piping hot curry stew over fluffy rice or with warm naan bread for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.